is very quick. I can declare that there was a court case this past week. And in the court case this past week, the judgment was that from hence of this judgment, that city officials, not political parties, that city officials can now be charged with dereliction of duty on the basis that if the municipal area is not kept up to standard, they can now be charged under the law. Now, I would ask every citizen in this country, because we are all suffering the same, that they should go and study this law, and that they should ensure that the citizen, not politicians, will get up, and if you find that your services are not to the standards, that you should absolutely form entities amongst communities and take that municipality and its people that are sitting on their backsides to court and make them pay, because we are already paying our rates and taxes. We deliver and need those services to be done. So I'm just allowing the citizens of this country to know, now is the time to take out your bamboo and moral, because if we can't keep them accountable in Parliament, which we can't, then we must take them to court and keep them accountable.